Nagabenta ki khubor ba man kasni pet but subscribe ya u an Kubleye phi baro kini kilong ki khubor bam ta kasni Katnat Information Technology and Communications ka Sarkar Meghalaya kalapalong ya ka Meghalaya IT Awards 2026 ha ususo tham auditorium ha ka bala sam khusnam ya arspa laingut ki khna puli ki bala le bha ki examen ba pher Kini ki Khynnah Pule ki degi bala pas bah ki examen bala penya de ka Meghalaya Board of School Education Embos but Central Board of Secondary Education CBSE na kabenta usnem Pule arhajar arpnrio. Menteri Rangba ke Jela Konrad ke Sangma ulawan kum ukongsan but ula sam laptop shakinong jam lasan ran nang u da ke menteri ke tenat Pule puthi lakmen rembui ringkat berkihe officer na kitnat sarkar paper. Ka jingya thu jong UCM halor ka technology bar ka entrepreneurship haba ai jing trend Konrad Sangma ula penpau ba ka perthai menta ka class stat ba ling ba ka jingroi jong ka technology bar ka plelat shibun ki kabu na ka menta ki samla Ulaya thu ru ka jingya lenti jong uhi ha ki snem ba mensha haba shem la yo jingya ram lane jingya lam ka babyang haba zdang ki kam khayi ula ong ba ula pershang ban zdang ki kam ka food processing but ka internet service henrei kala long ka ba namar ka jingduna ki la jingya ram ha ka tu kapor Menteri Rangba ula ong ba kini ki jingya kendu jing ki ai mensume u ban thau ka ecosystem ka ba khamba ha ka jilla khnang ban kershani ki samla ban zdang ila ki jong ki kam entrepreneurship ngim kwa bagi samla mentakin mat kumnya kita ki jing ki bang alamat mensha ngi kwa ban ai kilat bat jing rap bakin la ban sedang ila ki jong ki kam da ki jing shania ula ong shu ula banjur bagi benta ba pher kum ka technology ka sports ka music ka innovation la plela thamai ki kamai ka jing tentu ki samla banong ki bala ban ai ki jing dei ba kapor adam banang kentiu ki sap jong ki bat ban pendon kam ki kabu ba ka digital world ka ai Ka program kalong ru kalat ban ai jingiro ka jingla jong ki Khynnah Pule bat ban pinslur ki ban trei sitam ban ta kalawi ka baba
for military students have done exceptionally well. Let's give a huge round of applause to each and everyone. Thank you. Next, I call upon Ida 1 please. Next, I call upon let's give you a applause, ladies and gentlemen. As I call upon Ruman Kumari Rai. Thank you. Next, I call upon Visha Chokani, representing Embos Crossroad Province. Yurajimi Julian Al-Sutay, representing Embos Club. Thank you. And finally, I call upon Yari Lapinsuk Sweat.
The engineer then brought back this entire system to Shillong. He was working in Bangalore. And they all worked they are testing the ERP for companies like NVIDIA. And for that, in fact, one of the directors of NVIDIA, who's handling the whole Asia Pacific region, had a video conferencing with us to tell us that it's something really amazing. And we never thought that this kind of thing would be happening in Shillong, which a lot of people don't know. And even if I talk about this, half the people won't understand when I say S4HANA, what that means. But what I'm going to tell you is a lot of people don't realize the kind of opportunities that are developing. That this kind of technology today, and this alone, just this entire transition, the testing and the migration of this, which normally takes about 1 year, 2 years to do, this software finishes it in 1 month. So the testing modules based on AI allow the migration aspect to be done very fast. Now this was not possible before, and this was not happening in Shillong before. But today, this is about a $10 billion market. Just to give an idea to you, with the exchange rate today that's floating around, that's 94,000 crores. That's the size of this market. Just the testing of this S4HANA migration testing is a 94,000 crore market. And some part of it is being tested right here in Shillong. Now, why I'm telling you all of this, you must be thinking, is to tell you that things are not like it was before. Today, while the world is changing, we as a government are also trying to give that opportunity to you to adapt to those changes. I remember when I came here after completing my graduation, I was in University of Pennsylvania. I went to the undergrad program of the Wharton Business School. After finishing my entrepreneurship, I came back. And when I came back, I wanted to start my business. And when I wanted to start my business, there was nobody to tell me what to do, no place I could get any help. And I was all on my own, alone. And this is 1999. So in 1999, the month of May or June, I started making my business plan. I had a business plan for a food processing industry. I thought I should start a food processing industry because there's so much of fruits out here. My second project was an entertainment center in Shillong or in Tura, where we should have a full center, where we should have a bowling alley, a movie theater, games, music. And my third idea was an internet service provider, ISP. And of course, because I had just come back from US, I was very much into the internet thing. And so without really understanding the technical part, I jumped into the ISP business. But my point being was there was nobody to help. And I really went through a lot of difficulty. And those experiences I had at that moment when I was trying to set up my business, where no system or ecosystem existed in Meghalaya for entrepreneurship, prompted me that when I came and got the opportunity to serve the people as a chief minister, I told myself that I will provide that opportunity for the youngsters. I will create that ecosystem so that entrepreneurship can be a culture and can be an option where youth would be excited to start their own businesses. And that's what prompted me to start different programs. And of course, I had a very, very difficult time starting my business and a difficult time running it. But those are experiences that also taught me a lot of things that helped me till today in terms of teamwork and administration. But having said that, what I'm trying to give the message to you is, world is changing. You have to adapt. You are, as I said, one of the best brains that we have in our state. As correctly mentioned by our education minister, there are so many options, whether it's the administrative services, whether it's in terms of IT and the way the entire world is really changing, whether it's in form of entrepreneurship, whether it's in the form of bringing innovation into the sports sector, into the music sector, whether it's about bringing in technology that is going to be allowing us to do things in a much more cleaner manner in terms of bringing down the CO2 emissions to produce different kind of projects and work. All of these areas are open to you.